I'll give you a tour. You're gonna love it here. From the north to the south.
Baby girl, you DJ now. Handcuff me, never leave me. You'll be one in a million. Baby, chop on my million. See that baby, I'm my out, my out, my out.
Well, hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, it's my head. Today I'm going to show you how I put on my wig. You might see me looking this way because that's where the mirror is located. I want to do the ultimate normal slay that I do to myself. So I'll be shifted this way a little bit. Let me shift y'all with me so it just don't completely look like I'm looking to the side. Alright. Boom. So y'all see me looking this way, but I already added my stocking cap. I'm gonna go from beginning to end. So everybody know you put the stocking cap on, you spray the got to be spray, you let it dry, and then you cut it off. That's what we're gonna be doing. I'm gonna cut it off. Guys, for music. Just cut it off your head. I'm pretty sure everybody knows this. I'm making this video because I've been getting lots and lots of questions on my wigs. Basically, I guess I'm doing something right. Ooh, it's crunchy. Ooh.
We got this bottle of champagne to ourselves. Drink all we want, forget about everything else.
See? Look to your head.
To remember this moment for life, yeah. The look you gave me was staring in my eyes, and I'm never gonna let this go. Dancing real fast and slow, holding your waist real close. It's our paradise, let's go.
And then the leftover one in the back, I just cut that off because I am always dying. God, Jesus. Okay. Next step, you're making your cap look like your skin complexion, people. I love this, like, get me schooling y'all. So, wow, Florence. What you're gonna do is, this is darker than my skin complexion. I know this lady when I do my makeup, I do it with this, darker. I want the melanin. I'm sorry, y'all, I've been breaking out. So, this is gonna be my scalp. This is the LA Pro Concealer in the color Dark Cocoa. What I do, put it on the back of my wrist, and then I make my scalp happen. Because people be wanting to know this. I'm always getting this question, so there we go. Hello. Boom. It looks darker, but honey, when I tell you, gonna be slay laid to the gods. I'm getting more generous. That's why I'll be running out of concealer. Shoot. So this concealer look this color, but when it dries, it even get darker. So I'll be looking like a little chocolate drop because I use it on my face now. Here we go. You gotta make sure it's on the front of the lace, onto my forehead, like this. You know, gotta make sure it's everywhere. Bam, so it's everywhere. Now, before I go in and add the glue, people, I hope y'all like videos like this. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and comment if you like more videos like this, because I make my own wigs now, so. So before I go in with the glue, I take makeup wipes and just any kind of makeup wipes, nothing special, and just clean my forehead because the foundation is on my forehead and we want the glue to stick. So remember, I'm looking this way because my mirror. We just clean in front of the cap. See that? Dirty, nasty. We just want to clean in front of the cap because we want smooth application. Smooth. We're not gonna worry about this.
We got it grinding, waiting for vacation. Keep my destination. Body on the beach is different nights, different constellations. And when I look into your eyes, ain't no hesitation. Working hard with you, baby, by my side. Got 24 hours in the dark, still what we like. Sipping by the sands, catching waves in advance. It's an honor to be with you, cause baby, you made me understand what it means to be a real man. I got you covered in the brands, cause you a real fan. I want the house in the hills, that's the real plan.
Boom. So now that it is on this smooth application pipe, the glue I'm using is, wow, that was so disrespectful. It's the Ghost Bond. Everybody know about this glue, Ghost Bond, $23.99. So all I do is dab it. This is not a dab. What the? Okay, we're gonna pretend I said not dab, because Concealing France is being heavy-handed. I'm going all around the, I'm gonna say premises. I believe that's the right word. Premises of my head, because all these big words. Premises is boom. So after I do that, I take a comb. Where is my comb at, Lord Jesus? Because I don't always find a rat tail comb, but what I do is like, it's on my forehead, and I take a swoop of it and I put it on top of the cap and then bring it back to my forehead. So scoop it down on top of the cap, forehead. So I scoop it off my head, bring it to the cap, and then back on my forehead. You see what I'm doing? Scoop it off my forehead, go up, bring it down. Because that helps the cap lay too. So like this flap right here that we don't care about, scoop it down. Why got 2 layers to it? That's disrespectful. Why this cap got 2 layers to it? Wow. Wow. That's weird.
We got this bottle of champagne to ourselves. Drink all we want, forget about everything else. And I want to remember this moment for life, yeah. The look you gave me was staring in my eyes. And I'm never gonna let this go. Dancing real fast and slow. Holding your waist real close. It's our paradise, yes.
And now we just live our life as a dry clear. We just wait for it to dry clear. In the meantime, while we're waiting for it to dry clear, I'm going to show you the wig I'm going to be applying today. I made it yesterday. Everybody loves the hype about it. I asked y'all on Instagram. If you do not follow me on Instagram, make sure you follow me on Instagram, because I asked you what color wig I should do. Should I do orange or yellow? Everybody said orange. So your girl made an orange wig. Let me show y'all, honey. Come on, wig stand. Come on. Boom. This is the wig right here. It's orange. I made it yesterday.
what it means to be a real man. I got you covered in the brands cause you a real fan. I want the house in the hills.
Trying not to show you the whole thing, but it will be out of focus. Tinted and all. Tinted, laid, slayed, and imagine on my head it was there. That's not a word. So yeah, I made an orange wig. God damn it. Wow. So I'm gonna do a little more. I'm dying. A little more like dabs now. Dabs around here and bring it down. Dabs. Take the comb and bring it forward.
Across the sea, somewhere far away, and just be free. A place times don't go. We can call it our paradise. Just you and I.
And then we wait.
Now wouldn't that be
So while we wait, I'm taking the wig off the stand and I'm bringing it
paradise? Staying up all night. Just you and I.
because I'm like, what are you trying to say for me?
Moonlight, feet in the sand.
So this is the wig. In the meantime, I'm going to be cutting the lace off of it. Remember, when you cut the lace, you want to cut it close. Very close to the hairline. And we're going to do zigzag for a natural looking pattern. Because we want it to be like one lace. That's what we're going to do.
We got this bottle of champagne.
So remember, if you don't follow me on Instagram, like I know I haven't been on YouTube in a while, but I'm on Instagram like every day. So you get to see me every day. You know, I make funny videos for you to laugh and all that great stuff. So if you miss me on here, I'm not always on here because life been kicking my ass, which I will tell you about in my Get Ready With Me. Because life is funny, if I tell you. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know the inside of this. But I'm going to go more in details. And let's get ready with me. So much more has happened. I tell y'all, can I go one day without stuff happening to me? I would be so shocked in the call like, hello life, do you want to happen? That stuff is always happening. And I'll be shocked in the call.
What it means to be a real man. I got you covered in the brands cause you a real fan. I want the house in the hills, that's the real plan. While I'm working every time for the deal, man, it's real fam. Every time I see it, stay wishing that be his vision was seen. Riding Bentley's rolling right through the previous believing. It was meant to be. Together chasing paradise, making you for life, never ending journey. Blaze, yes, blaze, sign me up. Sunny's at the door, I tell him line it up.
Look, it's clear now. Let's see what we're going to do with our lives.
Somewhere far away and just be free. A place
I'm going to turn to the mirror because this is serious. This is serious. And then after I achieve it, I'm going to turn forward to do all the kinks and fixing. But I need to lay this right. Okay,
and do it again.
I'm just gonna press it down. Okay, it's automatically stuck to my head. And we're gonna take the comb. Wow. This is how we're gonna melt it down. We're gonna just press the comb there.
We got this bottle of champagne to ourselves. Drink all we want, forget about everything else.
I ain't a real baby, bro. in there. Where's my big white people hairbrush? So I'm about to switch from my zooming camera to my regular camera because I really can't adjust this in any type of way so you can see the other steps. So I can see what I'm trying to achieve here. So I'm about to switch. For early you'll see this. I don't want to do more steps till you see how it looks with the full zooming out. So I can break it. There we are. Orange wig, melted and laid. I'm just putting it in. I hope everybody call it that because that's what we call it out here, white people brush. So now that it's laid, I'm about to do my baby hair. Like literally, just gonna be out. So this is just an old mascara brush and had to be free spray. That's why I do my edges with people. So it's on the back of my hand and I just take it and I take whatever hair is out and I just move it. You can see what I'm doing with my life.
Do it again.
See how right here is flipping? It's okay. If you always have flaps, you can fix that. I'm putting a dab right here. I'm going to achieve fixing this flap right here by going underneath it with this glue, like so. As you can see, it's already clear, and I'm just going to stick it down. Lay it in slate, like 10 seconds. Alright, back to slaying the edges. And you gotta work fast because it got to be free spray. It dries fast off your hand, but you just spray more. You achieve your goal. Let's achieve your goal.
A paradise is there to be taken. We are the grinding way
I feel like this helps a lot because it helps like bump the hair upwards.
When I look into your eyes and the hesitation, working hard with you, baby, by my side. Got 24 hours in the dark, so I won't be lost. Sipping by the sands, catching waves.
This is really the definition of what lace, honey. Because lately I've been doing my lace and I became so good at it that I install on people's head. I make people wigs. So if you feel like you want me to do your wigs, I do not buy the hair. I tell y'all where I get my hair from, and you can go and purchase it. You can send it to me, and I can do it for you. And yeah, so basically how I achieved this lace was the Adore temporary dye as in watercolor. If you don't know how that works, you can look it up on YouTube. It shows you. It's a little video that shows you how you do the watercolor. That's what I did. I bought this hair as blonde with black roots, and I just dyed it orange. It was really easy. I used 3 bottles of Adore. In a pot, made it really hot. Ooh, I'm a rapper. Pot, made it really hot. What? Put it in the pot. What? Made it really hot. Ooh, ooh. You see that lifting up? We're gonna get that. Don't even look. Pretend you can't see. You blind. You blind because what? Florence got this. Florence got this. But look at the edges. Why Florence getting this? Because Florence didn't come here to play. Hello. Hello. No lace front. As you can see, I am melted, baby. Melted, baby. This ought to be my thumbnail. Woo. Kill 'em. Okay, so taking more glue because I got some in my hand. And we got to adhesive this right here because like you got me put through. What lace? Florence got it laid and slayed. Period. Facts. Period. Let's see. Okay, we'll have it down. We just hold it in place. Okay, so
we got this bottle of champagne to ourselves.
Lay in place. Boom. As you can see that. Back to scalp. And now we're going back another layer of got to be spray. You really gotta work fast, or else it goes away. So let's lay this real quick. Let's interrupt the process. Boom. Boom. We'll put down the ear. Oh, we done. Okay. Like, let me take this out of zoom so you can see how it looks like. This is 14 inches, by the way. 14 inches. Now I'm about to slay this side. And then I'll run some hot iron through it.
We had it grinding, waiting for vacation. Hit the destination, party on the beach is different nights, different constellations. When I look into your eyes, ain't no hesitation. Working hard,
and when you beat the face, you're gonna see this. Ooh, what's that? Okay, we're gonna zoom back in. We're gonna do this side. This is already pre-swooped from when I made a wig. Sometimes I do that. And now I'm kind of regretting because I put too much hair, but we're gonna work with it. It's already hard. It can't go nowhere. Jesus Christ. Let's go. If y'all want me to make a video on how I make my wigs, I think I've made a video on here. It's the same exact way. Same exact way, but this one's just colored. But I can go detail for detail. I don't remember the last video when I made that video, but yeah. We got it, honey. I does this. And mind you, all my clients I got right now is for me walking around the store or somewhere on the street and they're like, girl, who did your hair? I'm like, me, like I did it to myself, like I did it, I did this to me, like facts, factual, you know, I cannot refer you to nobody but me, honey. I did it, period. So that's how I got my clientele. Boom, boom. I see some lace need to be laid. I got you, hon. Look at the blue. Put it down real fast. Cause it dry fast. When you just and boom. What? I don't know why I keep on my breast. That's really disrespectful. You're always disrespectful. All I ever did was care for you. Wow. I knew I should have left you in the store because you didn't know that. So guys, this is it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. This is how I lay my lace. Like, love it. Like, ooh, Florence, what lace, honey. See, I have zoomed in. This lace was bleached and tinted. So yeah, so if you're dark skin like me, I'm pretty dark skinned and I use dark cocoa for my scalp. And after you do that, it still look like your skin complexion. So you'll be trying to find a lace. I'll be like, find it, honey, find it. Where's it at though? Where though? So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.